Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today guys, we're going to take a look at just a beautiful 1966 Pontiac GTO. I actually sold this car to a gentleman in 2007. I bought the car out of Tennessee. It is a true 242 GTO. It's all PHS documented. Sorry, it's freezing out here. And as you can see, it's spitting snow enough just to drive us crazy. But gorgeous car. This is a factory color combination. Factory burgundy car. It's got the, I think it's got most of the original factory parchment interior in it. It is a matching numbers 3D9 factory 4-speed car. Great car. Like I said, I sold it in 07. Same gentleman's had it ever since. Unfortunately, he had to sell it, but just a beautiful car. It's got the rally ones with the red lines. Those are radial red lines, and it's kind of cool. He's got them staggered. They're 14 or 15s in the rear, 14s in the front. Again, matching numbers engine. We've got all the PHS documentation for it. I apologize. It's kind of spitting and left snow and rain to drive us nuts, but very, very nice car, man. Love this car. You can nitpick. You can see some of the trim here around here. You can pick at a little bit. Car's got 3 of the 4 original T3 headlights in it. Bumpers are nice. Paint on the car is beautiful. Other than a little touch-up mark, not a whole lot you can really nitpick. I know one thing we're going to do is we're going to see if we can adjust those hinges on the hood. It's just a little high in the rear, but I think we can adjust that out. Stainless is very nice. Now this car, when I sold it, had a 4-barrel. It's a factory 4-barrel car. As a I can't remember if it was a Christmas gift or a birthday gift. Sorry about the snow, guys. His wife bought a tri-power unit for it. So just, I think he said about 5 years ago, they pulled that all apart and put a GM tri-power unit, factory type tri-power unit, but that's not original to the car. The car was actually a factory 4-barrel. You can see a little wear there on that trim, but very nice car, man. Good, solid, straight Tennessee body. That's just a little wax, guys. You can see how nice and flat this thing is down the sides. I love the rally ones, probably my favorite Pontiac wheel. Nice car. We're gonna break in Leroy. Go ahead and open the hood and the deck lid. Sorry. Unfortunately, Jay's sick today, so we're gonna break Leroy in. Leroy, open the trunk and the doors. Sorry, I'm getting out of skew here. Again, this is a matching numbers engine. It's a stock 4-barrel, so the original engine horsepower would have been 335. When you add the tri-power, I believe it goes to 365. But I didn't want to put that in the ad because I didn't want somebody being misled thinking it was a matching numbers tri-power car. It's not that. You can see it's got the chrome air cleaners, the chrome valve covers. It's got a set of hooker headers on it. Car's got the original Muncie. I think it's an M20 wide ratio 4-speed manual trans. The other thing that's cool about this car, it's got the ride and handling package on it. So it's got the box trailing arms, a rear sway bar. It's got a 355 sure grip in it. And that's all on your PHS. You can see the stainless around the windows, very nice. Dash is nice in there. Mirrors are nice. Your A-pillar chrome is, it shows a little wear, but pretty doggone nice. Some little scratching there on the top of your trim. Door handles are definitely new. These look newer, but I think these door pads and everything, I think these are original, guys. Car's only got, I think it's 89,000 original miles on it. Bucket seats, console, it's got the Hurst shifter, the wood wheel. Of course, it's got the wood grain dash. It's got the Fischer Body seat belts, but those are an option in '66. It's a factory rally gauge cluster with tack and gauges. 89,991 on the odometer. Aftermarket AM FM radio. It's got some custom gauges down there as well. It's got dual exhaust. Again, we talked about the ride and handling package with the 355 Safe-T-Tack, they call it. Factory jack with spare in here. I believe this car has got all the original body panels too, guys. It's just a little dust. Again, it's got the jack with the spare. There's your PHS for the car. It's all spackle coated in here. Car's very nice underneath. We snapped a bunch of photos of it. We'll get that posted in the ad too. Boy, Leroy forgot to get a door here. He's watched a million videos. You'd think he'd know how we do these. Split and armrest. Yeah, I originally brought this car up out of Tennessee. The car was a fresh restoration actually when we bought it then. And then this guy has just really maintained it. He's upgraded some stuff, but he said it's really just been a good car for him. Console's in good shape. Good running 389, guys. It just, like I say, it just runs and drives awesome. Fuel gauge is in there working. Tack works. All your other gauges over, the oil pressure, good oil pressure. Looks like both of them are working. Both gauges are working. I know the parking brake does work, guys. He's got that part down. Brakes. Pop in reverse, Leroy. A little rev. Radio does work, guys. Blower motor works. Again, your gauges are functional in there. Headlights. I know that works. Hold on. Yeah, it's out. Yeah, it's out. It's just they're not making a good connection, guys. Shut your lights off. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook or our Instagram page. Or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Big old handprint to put on the back. Not much with a 4-speed, guys. Have a great day.